Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow others to share your story that you mention them. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you made a story and you mention your friend, but your friend can't repost your story that you mentioned them, how to make your story can repost? It's so simple. I'll show you. I've made a story before and I mention my friends, but she can't repost my story. I will show you. Let's see the other account. You can see there is a username of this account, but I can't repost it. How to allow this account to repost my story? It's so simple. Let's switch to my other account, this account. First of all, you can tap on your profile. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down and there is an option sharing. You can tap on that, tap on sharing. You can see there is an option allow others to share your stories if you mention them. You can activate the toggle. The toggle is unactivate. You can activate the toggle by tap on the toggle like this. Now the toggle is activate. So whenever you make the story and you mention your friend can repost it. Let's go back. I will make a new story and mention my other account. I will show you. I will mention this account, my other account. Now, let's make the story. Here's the first story and here's the second story after we activate the permission. Let's change to other account. Let's switch to other account and see. You can tap here. Let's see. Here's the first story that I can't repost. And this, the second story that we've already changed the settings. You can see there is an option add to your story. Now we can repost this story like this. So that is how to allow others to repost your story that you mention them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!